Marker. It stands up in that middle too, but it's narrower. Yeah. I can push the waves up a bit.
Yeah. Where are we, Dad?
We're at the front of Old Floyd Town at Eden.
Can you aim more in that corner?
I think it just keeps going over.
Yeah, because it just gets rocky over there. We'll just have to be careful.
Who's jumping out? Me?
I can jump. I can jump.
Are you sure?
At the band, I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanted my name and a star. Now look at where we at, still growing up, still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I'd become. Couldn't wait to get older, couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would've told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Wish I didn't think I had the answers. Wish I didn't drink all of that glass first. Wish I made it to homecoming, got up the courage to ask her. Wish I would've gotten out of my shell. Wish I put the bottle back on that shelf. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought and felt comfortable with myself. Rooftop open, and the stars above. Moment frozen, sneaking out and falling in love. Me, you, and that futon, we just begun. On the grass dreaming.
It's really cool. I had a really good time there. Nice people there. Nice people in the pub and that. And,
Where are we going, Dad?
hopefully we get to Jervis Bay today. Tomorrow, sorry. Overnight to Jervis Bay. Not a lot of wind, but there's heaps of swirl. And it's really rolling. But hopefully we get to Jervis Bay by tomorrow before a big flow goes through the 2 days following. And then off to Sydney. Is our plan. Find me a whale loose, we'll get the harpoon. We've got dolphins on the front and on the side. Move it slowly, Luke. Ready for a quick morning dash to the showers? Okay.
It is 7 a.m. We are freezing cold, but we've had you gotta add the energy to it. Stand back.
Oh, there's my coffee. Oh, there it is.
Properly. No, but you're doing it.
Can you grab that, Luz?
You're forgetting what the yes, it's
Please, we got to pump that up.
so it's
Let's go.
yeah.
What day is it? Oh, it's a long way off now, isn't it?
Chilly, but we've had a tip, there's hot showers, so we are going to investigate.
Don't film me! Oh! They always say pain was enough, but the pain was enough.
We all live in hope because it's been a while since we've had a shower.
We can't.
You want me to go?
I am standing on the edge, the highest hill, the tallest cliff, 1 foot ready to jump and fall, and 1 foot barely holding on. And there's 1,000 voices in my mind, and I'm not sure which one is mine. I run, but still I hear that noise so loud it's deafening. Ah, ooh, tick tock, heart like a broken clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Does anybody know my name? Can anybody call me home again? I am lost, and I'm trying to find my way. Hands on the wheel, don't know where I've been. Lost in time, some bad dream. Well, the devil has got me under his spell. I'm gonna meet my demons down in hell. Ah, ooh, tick tock, heart like a broken clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Does anybody know my name? Can anybody call me home again? I am lost, and I'm trying to find my way. Anybody know my name? Can anybody call me home again? I am lost, and I'm trying to find my way. It's time to feel, time to fold, time catch my breath. Time to find that broken heart and stitch it up. It's time to feel, time to fold, time to rest and catch my breath. Time to find that broken